Ad networks sit at the center, publisher on seller side, brands on the demand side of ecosystem. Let's assume I am a publisher with a defined inventory. The total inventory on sale for this month is 100 million ad impressions. This inventory is across all web pages belonging to different page categories like home, entertainment, sports, politics, technology, movies, etc. on the website. Out of 100 million impressions, let's assume 90 million impressions are sold and they are premium now. Remaining 10 million impressions are unsold across different page categories as shown here. Now these remnant impressions are with me and are ready to sell via ad networks. And ad networks purchases this remnant inventory. In our example, let's consider you are the ad network. Similar to remnant inventory from my website, you may also purchase remnant from other publishers. Let's assume from publisher 2 you purchased 8 million impressions and from publisher 3 12 million impressions and so on. So finally in the ecosystem, when publishers are ready with remnant inventory, publisher supplies this inventory to ad networks. Here publisher is a seller and ad network is a buyer. Once ad networks purchase inventory from multiple publishers in a lot of small packages with respect to categories like sports, business, etc., then they aggregate all of these inventory as per the various segments. For example, inventory from the home page of all sites is segmented as homepage inventory. The inventory from sports page of all sites is segmented as sports inventory. Likewise, other categories can be aggregated as shown in this slide. Ad networks purchase those inventory at a low price from publishers and aggregate and sell them to advertisers who are looking for it. Now these ad networks act as sellers and sell that purchased inventory to advertisers at a high price. In return, advertisers send creatives price for the inventory to ad networks. Now ad networks take some commission from the amount and send them to publishers.